Hello guys, how are you? Hope you guys are well. So today I'm gonna share an easy money making site or earning site where you can earn money easily. If you want to work online at home and earn money easily, then this video is for you. You can earn about $5 to $30 per day by working on this site. Before work on this site, you need to know about this site, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna work on this site and earn money easily. So watch the full video. If you skip the video, you don't understand anything. So follow the video. You can see the site name is Rapid Workers. If you search on any internet browser, you can get to this site easily. Now you have to make an account to work on this site. You can see a sign up option here. Click on it. Then you can see a page like this. Now you have to put your name, your email address and password. Make sure your email address is correct and don't forget the password. Then you have to select your country here. You can see there are many countries. Now select your own country, like I'm from Bangladesh, so I'll select Bangladesh now. Then you have to complete this captcha. Click on this I'm not a robot. Then you can see a captcha, complete it. And the important rules, you can see if you use any VPN, your account will be banned. Then multiple accounts with the same IP address shared, same IP used with another account to do tasks. Number 4, doing other country jobs that you're not from. All this will get you eventually banned. If you got banned, don't waste your time making another account. Then click on it, agree to the terms and policies. Click on it, then click on my create account. After that, they'll send you a verification code on your email address. Then verify it, then log in. Like I'll log in on my account now.